In the technology of making a lightweight concrete, when we put sand, cement, and water in the mixer, it's not important to mix it. It's important to be able to make lightweight concrete homogeneous. It means when our concrete breaks into pieces, there should be no dispersion between aggregates. We use cement, sand, water, and liquor. Each of these materials has its own weight. We made a mixture that our mortar is homogeneous, and when it's placed on vibrating table, the sand doesn't remain in the middle, or the cement doesn't fall down. You can see the lightweight concrete homogeneous. Thank you for your attention. For more information, please ask me in direct.